Find the quotient. 13 2/10 divided by 4. 13.2, the numerator, is called the dividend. And the 4, the denominator, is called the divisor. You start by recording the dividend, 13.2, and then I'm going to change to the scribble tool, and I'm going to write division next, just like I say this fraction, 13.2 divided by 4. So then I write 13.2 divided by. The action is happening to the 13.2, so I'm drawing it over the 13.2. 13.2 divided by the divisor 4. So I put the 4 on the outside. What you're dividing it by goes on the outside. Now we need to look at the divisor, the number on the outside. If the number on the outside has a visible decimal, we need to move it. Thankfully it doesn't, and that's because 4 is actually equal to 4.0. And if the decimal is over here on the far right side of the 4, then you don't have to write it in. That's why we don't see it. So if we don't see a decimal, it's already in the proper place, meaning we do not need to move the decimal in this problem. So we can go ahead and bring this decimal up to the top. And then we can start asking ourselves the question, how many times does the divisor 4 go into 1? Well, 4 is greater than 1, so it goes in 0 times. How many times does 4 go into 13? Well, 4 goes into 13 3 times, because 3 4s give us 12, or 3 times 4 is 12. So I write that below the 13 and I subtract it from 13. 13 minus 12 is 1. I cannot ask the question again until I bring a number down. How many times does the divisor 4 go into 12? 3 times, because 4 times 3 is 12. Or you could say 3 4s give us 12. 12 minus 12 is 0, so we got a remainder of 0 and there's no number to bring down. So we have found the quotient. Our answer to this division problem, the quotient, is 3.3. Think about if this makes sense. 13.2 is awfully close to 12, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So it makes sense that 13.2 divided by 4 would be a little bit over 3.